Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel, Andrea René Abroad, where I talk about Peace Corps, travel, and working abroad. I'm a returned Peace Corps volunteer who served in Nicaragua from August of 2016 to April of 2018. I am currently living and working in Melbourne, Australia as an au pair for a family with 3 young children. I've been here for about a month, and so I've had the chance to be able to settle into my new environment. I live inside the house with the family. I share a bathroom with the kids, and I of course share the kitchen with the whole family. So I thought I would give you a little tour of my room and then also show you the bathroom and the kitchen that I have access to here. I won't be showing you the entire house just for the sake of the privacy of the family, but I will say that I share a hallway with the children. My bedroom is down the same hallway as the 2 children's bedrooms. So there's 3 children I'm taking care of, but 2 of them share a bedroom. So we're all at the same end of the hallway. So in the morning I am up generally quite early, and so I have to be pretty careful about how much noise I make during the morning. We're already in my bedroom. You've kind of seen this background in all of my videos. You're probably wondering, what does her room look like? Especially if you're a person who's considering to apply to be an au pair, you're probably a little bit curious of what that is like. So let's go ahead and take a tour of my bedroom. All right, so here we are at the entrance of my bedroom, and I can pretty much just give you the basics of what my room setup is like. First of all, I would definitely say that this room is smaller than my room in the United States, and it is also a lot smaller than my casita was in Nicaragua, but that was kind of a different setup just because I had literally everything in one enormous room, which had previously been the living room of my host family. But you can check out my other video about my Nicaraguan home setup in a different video, which I'll link up above. So from this angle, you can see what my bedroom looks like when I first walk in through the door. You can see that I have a window, which is really nice, and I also have a little dresser, which I have doubled as a desk for my work. I have a little chair, and I keep some things in that drawer. If I pan over here, you can see that my bed is just right there. I'm pretty sure I have a queen size bed. If not, it's definitely at least a double. It's much bigger than my bed was in the United States. Don't have very much decorations on my walls just because I'm not going to be here for a super long time. And if I step in farther into my room and continue to pan, you'll see that I eventually get to my wardrobe. So this is my wardrobe here. I don't have a closet in my room, but it is nice to have a really big wardrobe, and then continue panning and you get back to the exit to my bedroom. So this is pretty much the setup of my room. It's definitely enough space for me, but I'm sure there are au pairs who have more space than I do. So I'm over at my wardrobe and I've opened up the doors. You can see that these close and there's really nothing to them on the outside, but on the inside I have quite a bit of space here to hang up my clothing. And then I keep all my shoes down here, which has been really nice. I can open up all these drawers, and I have a whole bunch of drawers down here where I keep access to stuff. I will also say that I keep a few food items here in my wardrobe, namely peanut butter, just because I do consume a lot of peanut butter and I felt kind of bad. Normally when you're an au pair, your host family will provide you all of your food, but if you're like really obsessive with like one particular food, it might just be better for you to buy it with your own money. So that's what I do with peanut butter, and also muesli, because I have oatmeal every single morning for breakfast. So I just felt kind of bad about the amount of stuff that I was consuming that they don't necessarily eat as a family. So this is pretty much my wardrobe setup. Again, it's more than enough room for me, so this is great. Here we are in the bathroom that I share with the 2 children. It might be a little bit echoey in here just because it is a bathroom, but I pretty much am the only person in the house who uses this shower. The only time someone else ever uses it is my host mom likes my host dad to use this if he gets up super early in the morning so that he doesn't wake her up. But pretty much the shower is all mine, which is really nice, so I'm able to keep it clean the way that I like it. But then the rest of the bathroom I do share with the children. Lastly, here we are in the kitchen. It's a fairly modern kitchen. My host parents are both architects, so they've actually completely remodeled the house to their liking, which is really cool. As I said before, the kitchen is definitely a shared space with the family, even though I do tend to get up before everybody else in the house. So I generally have the kitchen to myself in the morning to cook breakfast, but I usually usually eat breakfast in my room anyways, just because it's easier for me to do work in the morning. I usually get my breakfast going, take it back to my room, and do some work before my shift begins. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found this video very informative and helpful, and that it gave you a better idea of what to expect if you were applying to be an au pair. Do remember that each au pair's experience is different. Each bedroom and each house is obviously going to be very different, but this can at least give you a general idea of what the setup could be like. If you would like more content from me, be sure to check out my blog on WordPress, as well as my Instagram and my Facebook page. I've put links down below in the description box, which you can use to navigate to those different websites. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a friend. If you know somebody who's going to apply to be an au pair, maybe you can send them this video as well. That's all for today. I'll see you all next week.